Naik, and I am basically from Nepal, and I have completed my BSc CSIT in Nepal. And for to advance my career in AWS and cloud computing, and as well as DevOps, I came here in Bangalore, and I have looked many more institutes in Bangalore, and one of them is SDLC. And I took demo classes in SDLC, and I found very helpful, and the content was so good. And I took the demo, and the trainer also very experienced in his IT sector, and he was like 30 years of experience in. Finally I have got joined in SDLC, and I feel comfortable with the trainer as well as the environment that the management team has provided. And it is almost 2 months has completed in AWS my training.